Let's learn days of the week. There are 7 days of the week. Five days are the weekdays. 2 days are the weekends. Look at the school timetable. There are 5 days of the weekdays. The first day is Monday. 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 The second day is Tuesday. 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 The third day is Wednesday. 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 The fourth day is Thursday. 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 The fifth day is Friday. Friday. The sixth day is Saturday. 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 The seventh day is Sunday. Sunday. Sunday.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday to Friday, and Saturday, 7 days for you. Let's sing them like this. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday to Friday, and Saturday, 7 days for you. Let's sing them like this. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday to Friday, and Saturday, 7 days for you.
Now it's quiz time. Answer my questions. What is the first day of the week? Yes, it's Monday. What is the second day of the week? Yes, it's Tuesday. What is the third day of the week? Yes, it's Wednesday. What is the fourth day of the week? Yes, it's Thursday. What is the fifth day of the week? Yes, it's Friday. What is the sixth day of the week? Yes, it's Saturday. What is the seventh day of the week? Yes, it's Sunday.
days. Tuesday, Wednesday, 7 days. Thursday, Friday, 7 days. Saturday, 7